It's 1945. The world is celebrating the end of a devastating war. World War II is finally over, but everything is damaged. Cities lie in ruins and infrastructure is shattered. Amidst the rubble, a new hope emerges: nuclear energy. Scientists are optimistic, gathering around large machines with dials and gauges, discussing the potential of this powerful force. This powerful force, once used for destruction in the war, could now be harnessed to create a better future. The transition from war to peace brings new possibilities. Imagine a world with abundant electricity for everyone, bright homes, busy factories and thriving cities, all powered by the atom. The vision of a futuristic city with flying cars and vibrant communities becomes a symbol of hope. Scientists, governments and everyday people were excited. The promise of nuclear energy sparked enthusiasm and curiosity. Newsreels and newspapers were filled with discussions about this revolutionary technology. Nuclear energy was different from the old, dirty energy sources. Unlike coal plants with their polluting smokestacks, nuclear power plants promised cleaner, more efficient energy. It could help poor countries and bring amazing new technology. Developing nations saw nuclear power as a way to leap into the future, with new infrastructure and opportunities. The future seemed to be all about atoms. The optimism of the atomic age painted a picture of a bright, promising future where nuclear energy would lead the way. This atomic dream started with splitting atoms like uranium. Imagine splitting an atom. This releases a huge amount of energy as heat. This heat boils water, making steam. The steam turns giant wheels called turbines, and that makes electricity. It's a chain reaction. To use this power, engineers built light water reactors. These became the main type of nuclear power plant. They're not too hard to build or run, so many countries wanting nuclear energy chose them. But nuclear power wasn't perfect. On April 26, 1986, everyone watched a terrible accident at Chernobyl in Ukraine. A badly designed reactor and some mistakes by workers caused a huge explosion and fire. Radioactive material went into the air. Chernobyl showed how powerful and dangerous the atom is. It also showed how important safety is. The accident changed how people thought about nuclear energy. Many became afraid of it. Many years later, another nuclear crisis happened at the Fukushima Daiichi power plant in Japan. This event shook the world and brought nuclear safety back into the spotlight. In 2011, a huge earthquake and tsunami hit the plant. The natural disaster was one of the most powerful ever recorded, causing widespread devastation. The plant's defenses couldn't handle it, and a meltdown happened. This catastrophic failure led to the release of radioactive materials into the environment. This made people worry about nuclear power again, especially in places where natural disasters happen often. The global community began to question the safety of existing nuclear plants. Fukushima showed that we need better safety rules and emergency plans for nuclear power. Engineers and policymakers started working on new safety protocols to prevent such disasters in the future. It also made everyone think about where to build nuclear plants and how to protect them from extreme events. The lessons learned from Fukushima continue to shape the future of nuclear energy. Today we have to make a decision about nuclear power. It's a topic that brings both hope and concern. On one hand, it offers a powerful solution to our energy needs. It's a good way to make electricity without causing climate change. Unlike fossil fuels, nuclear power doesn't release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. As the world tries to stop global warming, nuclear energy can power our cities without making things worse. It can provide a stable and reliable source of energy, complementing renewable sources like wind and solar. But people still worry about safety, nuclear waste, and the possibility that it could be used to make weapons. These concerns are valid and must be addressed. The future of nuclear energy depends on learning from the past and making new, better technology. Innovations in reactor design and waste management are crucial. This means designing safer reactors, finding better ways to deal with waste, and having strong safety rules. It's about creating a system that people can trust. Nuclear energy can be a good part of a clean energy future, but we have to use it carefully and responsibly. By balancing its potential with our responsibility, we can make informed choices for a sustainable future.